So here you go. So the demo which you have imported, so this is the page which we have imported, right?
Okay.
So
Did
this
it
is
work
where,
now? Was
yeah,
there no?
yeah, it was just reinstalling of the demo again, so it worked.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is how the website is. Now, when you see the website, it is complete in itself, right? So everything is there. The homepage is there. So when you talk to the homepage, pages, courses, event, blog, contact us as a menu. And on the top, you have the phone number, email ID, everything is there. So if you look at this page, it is a complete website ready now. So now only job is to just change as per our requirement. The images, the text, everything has to be changed as per our requirement, right? So now let us get back to the dashboard. You can click on the bookshop on the top left. Yeah, dashboard. Click on the dashboard. So now, when you see the elements in the website, so the top element is the logo, where your logo is there, the menu is there, then the sliders are there, right? The 2-3 sliders on the big image and the top section is there, right? You can open the tab. You can open the tab and then you can open the website so that I can explain it to you. You can just again go back to dashboard. Yeah, right click and open a new tab. Okay, you open that file.
Yes, it's opening.
Yeah. So here, when you see, there are top menu is there in this, where the phone number, everything is there. Then we have the logo, then the menu, and right side also we have some elements where you have these 3 links are there, and the slider where the image is there and then it is changing. The image is changing and the text is changing. Correct? So when you just
You
wait
mean the
for
text here?
Yes, yeah. The text is changing and the image is changing.
Image, yes.
Yeah. So this is the slider which is keep on changing it. So this is the first thing which anybody sees, right? So we have to see how to change this. So now let us get into the editing mode where we will start working from the top. Let us see how to change the logo first. The first thing is logo. So we will have to change some logo. We will just go back to the dashboard. Okay. So now to start working on those things, that is called customization of the theme. So you need to go to the appearance on the left hand side menu. Go to the appearance, down, appearance, customize. Themes are there, just below the theme there is customize. Click on the customize. Here it is. So here we can customize on the right hand side you will see the text here, right? The website details. So on the general, you click on the general on the left side menu, the general. Yeah, the first one, general first one. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So here it is saying logo. So when you click on that logo, so this is the logo which is there here. So here you can replace your logo. Your own logo can be replaced here. So you can just, if you have some icon or some in your system, you can just try it. You can do that.
I don't have anything at hand.
You don't have anything at hand. Okay. Just go to Google and then download one of the any logo. Just Google. So you can just go back. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Just remove it and select file. Then upload file. So on the left hand side, first time upload file is there. So select the file or drag and drop that file. Yeah. So on the right, you just
But
says.
will this logo be now in the media library for all people to use?
Yes, yes.
Because this is an official logo from a TV chain, so I'm not sure if we can use it like that.
No, it is
If everyone will have access to it, like here, like if in this database.
No, not yet, because we are using the demo. It is not online, so nobody will know about it. So anyway, we will be deleting it. So you can use this logo. So on the right, you just say insert and down, right down. So just not able to see your screen.
So
See, on the right hand side, you have select is there, not down.
select,
so here,
yes.
Yeah, 1 second. So before that, whatever image you create, whenever there is an image which you want to insert, and you have an alt text here, right? Just on below that, on the right hand side, below the logo, alt text is there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this we have to give. So what is this used for? This will be used for search engine optimization. So you need to give all the text logo. Okay, great, text logo. So that's okay. So once we actually work on search engine optimization, I'll tell you how to write a right description. You have to give a right description. Okay. So for now, text logo is good. You can just click on select. So once you select it, you can see the logo is changed here on the top, right?
Yes.
So you when you have your own logo, you can just replace that logo, and then it will automatically come there. So it is as simple as that. So when you're just below that, there is a sticky logo, correct? On the left hand side. So the sticky logo is when you scroll this page on the right hand side, just scroll the page. So when you scroll the page, there will be a sticky menu. When you open this your website, let us open the website. Open the website on the next tab. No, that one. This one.
There it is.
Yeah, this one. And so, okay, refresh it. It comes. The logo will come.
Oh, it's still this one.
Oh, no, because we have not published it, it will not come here. Okay, so once you scroll down, just scroll down. See, once you scroll up.
Yeah,
See this.
returns.
Yeah. So this is the sticky menu here. Okay. So this is the sticky logo. So here also that is called the sticky logo. So here when you so this is what is called the sticky logo. So here this is the logo which you have changed now. When you scroll down, it comes on there will be a strip. See this one. So that is the sticky logo. So we go back to the dashboard. There also you have to change the sticky logo. You can just remove it and then again select this logo from the media file itself. You can select select it. Okay, so retina logo is not required. You can just leave the retina logo as of now. And then you have a logo width. Go down, you can reduce or change the logo width also here. Size of the logo width. If it is 260 as of now, if you want smaller, you can change it, or if you just make 160, it got smaller, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So if this looks good, you can, as per your requirement, you can change this in here. So whenever you make any changes, yeah, these are the things. It will, the icons which you have taken. So it is a desktop. When you click on that, that's a tab. Click on that. It will, when you click on that, it will tell you how it will look like in a tab. And on the right, yeah, when you click on the other icon, it will tell you how it will look like in the mobile version. So this is how it will look like in the mobile version, the website. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, so desktop. So we'll go to that. So once you make these changes, you have to publish it on the top. Blue button is there, publish. No, publish. Yes. So now we can close this. Okay, you just go top, take the cursor, the scroll bar, take the scroll bar to the top.
Yeah, sorry, I was just taking a note.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, now we can just come back to the back. Yes. Okay, so now you have changed the logo. So just below that there is a layouts. Click on the layouts. The layouts means this is how your layout is looking like. So default it is header is there, content is there, footer. So you can change as per the requirement if you want to have some other plan. Otherwise, this looks good. You can just leave it as default one. So there are many layouts. What kind of layout? This shows that where you want it will be as per the layout. The whole website will be changed.
Okay, so if I take this one,
yeah,
since everything changes.
Since there is no left and right menu for us, so it will not show you any changes in here. That you can take it now. Default one.
The first one, which was installed.
Yeah, the first one. Yeah.
But it's not taking it, is it?
Yeah, just click on that.
I did.
I think it will take it.
Maybe I just need to publish, just ignore to publish it, and then it will.
Yeah. Yes. Go back. Yeah. So now we have styling here.